What's up, YouTube? It is Bling Mom 94. I'm back again with another video. So today I want to go ahead and do a video blinging out my Nintendo Switch case. I did just recently purchase a Nintendo, so this is everything I'm going to use. Everything is from Amazon that I purchased. So yes, this is the clear case. I just got some clear gems to add on. These rhinestones of all different sizes. I actually just pulled out all the different size rhinestones that I had, because since I got the gems, I want everything to be like kind of unorganized but jumbo and clustered and just cute. I see it in my head, but I just can't put it in words, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Yeah, and got all different sizes. Also using this glue, which again, everything is from Amazon. And they also were super nice and added in 2 of these just to sample. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here's the clear case. And it did come with 2 screen protectors and some thumb grips. And also, you know, the cleaning wipes. Here's the case. Nothing special. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and speed everything up, but pretty much all I did was just separate the different size rhinestones, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add them on. No particular order, just scramble. Just do whatever. Wherever it fits, you just put it, whatever size. I won't change, I'm stuck in the golden age. If trip is hidden, it's a blessing. I pull it from the essence. Rose petals on the floor of the booth during my session. Trying to dodge a recession, right in that pain. I won't change, I'm stuck in the golden age. Now here, I'm just gonna add on one of the big gems. No particular order on how I was doing it. I just add one and then surround it with the smaller rhinestones.
Yeah, trap, filthy. Understand my passion. I'm Van Gogh on the canvas. It's nothing till I brush stroke it. I hit the pressure and floated. I feel goated. Keep the family first and stay devoted. Then moved out to the sticks, but I still tote it. Love my niggas, but me and the toast is still the closest. Coming heavy, one hit is a double dosage. Maury stepping, I ain't talking povage. I'm really here to take over, they should've named me COVID. Sub cop back in my pocket, please don't make me blow it. Never caught a F, I got else to tote it. So when the hook come, I ain't gotta throw it. Smoke the cookie, but nothing is sugar coated. War ready, 100 rounds in my bandolier. Pitch black, need my wrist like a chandelier. 2021, but my word premiere sounded like it's yesteryear. I'm stuck in the golden age. If trip is hidden, it's a blessing. I